Hello, this is PJ and welcome to another day of 30 days of JavaScript with Leetcode. Today we are solving another problem called counter. And before we dive into this challenge, one thing I want to tell you, how you should approach all those Leetcode challenges. And you should basically focus on the task and on the challenge you have in front of you. Don't try to overcomplicate it. Solve it in a way you can. Don't look in the specific algorithm or anything like that. Just use the skills and the knowledge you currently have. For example, if I want to unscrew something from the wall and I don't have a screwdriver with me, it doesn't mean I won't be able to unscrew that thing from the wall. I just need to find another tool or another way to unscrew the thing without a screwdriver. And it's the same with JavaScript and Leetcode challenges. This is even more important with real-life challenges that you have when you work on your regular job as a developer. Most people don't care how you solve the problem. What matters is that you solve the problem. So when you approach all Leetcode challenges, please think like that. Okay, now onto the task. Counter with JavaScript. Okay, so what we have here, we have given integer n and we need to return a counter function. This counter function initially returns n and then returns 1 every subsequent time it is called. So n plus 1, n plus 2. And here we have two examples, two cases. So what can we do here? Initially, we obviously need to return the value n. So the function needs to return the value n, but we also need to add to this value every single time the function is called. So let's create another variable. So let's create variable plus and let's start it. So let's start it from 0. But if we want to add this value here, so let's return n and this value and increase that value every single time the function is called. Then the first time it's going to be 1. So it's going to be n plus 1 the first time function is called. So logically what I would do, and I would start it from -1. So the first time this plus value is 0. So that would be my solution. So initially that starts from -1 and then every single call of this function that is returned here when this constant is created, then every single time it is increased by 1 and the first time is not increased at all, as you can see here. So that would be my solution. So let's try to run it and let's see what results we're gonna get. And as we can see, it is accepted because our output is 10, 11, 12 and the expected output is 10, 11, 12. So that solution is good, but now let's try. Actually, we have both cases already run and solve, and in exactly the same we have expected value here. So as you can see, as I was telling you before that challenge, we've not really used any specific algorithms. We just applied logical thinking and problem solving skills, and I came up with solution like this. Maybe there's another one, and if you think of any different solution, let me know in the comments what solution to this challenge you would apply. And now let's try to submit this challenge, and our challenge has been accepted and in 49 milliseconds, so that beats 65% of users with JavaScript, which is pretty good, and in terms of memory is also quite good because that beats 66%. So it is actually better than we did yesterday with challenge number 1. And if you haven't seen number 1, just click on the icon on the screen and watch it. Otherwise, See you tomorrow with challenge number 3. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and see you tomorrow.